Emma! Papa Nawat!
Hi, Papa.
Papa Nawat is here.
Papa Nawat. How are you?
How's your trip?
Are you alright yesterday?
Yes, we are right. The other day. How was the trip, Papa?
A little delay.
A little delay.
1.5 hours.
You're looking better today.
Fresh.
Fresh.
So many things happen. It's okay for me.
Fine, Papa. Grand is still grand, so we go for grand.
It's okay. Don't worry.
We go Matiglaw.
Oh! Love you, Emma!
Ready to work? We will go to Philippines on 23rd. 24th.
What time is your flight on the 23rd?
I don't know yet. I didn't purchase the ticket, but I give a schedule.